Hello, my name is Robin Phippins. I am a professional longarm quilter from Virginia. I am wanting to welcome you to come join me at Stitch in Heaven in June for a longarm event. In this longarm event, we are going to be using the BERNINA Q Series machines. At this event, we're going to be doing free motion quilting, ruler work, and some yarn couching. The second half of the day, we are going to be using the BERNINA Q-Matics for computerized quilting. So please come join me and experience how amazing it is to complete your quilts with ease on a BERNINA Q-Series machine.